Hi, I'm back, and today's lesson is a lesson on becoming a student in your own class. I call it the sandbox. So what it is you're able to see what your assignment looks like and what it might look like from the student side of things. And you may not have even realized you could do this, but I found out this from one of our Go React instructors last year. What you do when you come to the Go React site is instead of signing up as the professor for the course, go to sign up. And when you go to sign up, you sign up as a student participant. Now here's the deal. You can, create the name for your student, and you can create an email address that's totally fake. It doesn't even have to be a legitimate email address. It just has to have, it kind of has to look like an email address might look. And then you create a password. And that password is linked to you, the dummy student. It's not sent to you. There's nothing that's sent to you or anything like that. It's just a password that you created so that you can be a participant in your very own class. Okay, so you do that. You're going to be asked, what's the name of your institution? Who's the name of your professor? Well, duh, that's you. And you might have to be invited into the course. So let me show you what you would have to do as a professor. And I've already shown you this in an earlier video, but remember that you might have to invite a student in. So I just made an account called greg@yahoo.com. I don't literally have an account at greg@yahoo.com. But you come to this course, and this is Ed 415, one of the courses that I teach, and I'm going to invite the user. Now that end user that I'm going to invite is that same fella, greg@yahoo.com. And then you do the sent invitations. And all you have to, sorry, that's what's going on. Then you have to choose the role. So this would be a student presenter. And boom, you send the invitation. And that way, the dummy, is going to get invited into this class. So that's what I did. Now, as the student, first of all, Mr. Cahill made an assignment that was called upload a short video. So I wanted to know what it looked like from the student side. When I did this upload a short video, I had to choose the name of the video, what type it is. This is a standard type. I chose to be private, and I assigned a starting date and everything else. Okay, but that's all I did, just testing what this looks like. Okay, so you make those changes, and there you have it. So then, as a student, I went to, and I wish I had a camera that was showing this way. I guess I should have done that. I go to my phone app, and you can get a phone app from GoReact, and this was really smooth. I videotaped a little short lesson that I did on order of operations. And all I had to do, once I logged myself in as a student, I videotaped myself, and then I uploaded that video. And literally, it was because I chose on my cell phone which assignment it was, I just hit that, and then I hit upload. And by the time I got back to my computer here, this thing had uploaded into this. So now Mr. Cahill can see this. But let me show you what student Greg, what it looks like from his side of things. So from Greg's side of things, he was invited to put this recording in. So then Greg put this recording in, and now Greg doesn't like the recording, so he can edit it. He can change the title of it. He can do some basic things there. But this is the other thing that Greg could also do. He could make comments on his own video. So he starts here, and he's like,
this is just a practice video, so I wanted to show you how this works.
And as soon as I type this in, I could say,
So I'm using this.
I need to practice. And as soon as I start typing, the video stops. Practice my introduction a little bit more. All right. Then I hit enter.
My cell phone. Here we have.
I can also give video comments to myself. I can give audio comments to myself. I can upload different things.
Operations in mathematics. So here we have some operations. So you can see here that it's 3 plus 7 times 2. If you were to work from left to right, you might go 3 plus 7, which is 10, 10 times 2, and you might get 20.
Oh, that's hard to see when I hold the board like that. So I'll just make a comment to myself.
Another person might say, well, what if it's 3 plus 7 times 2? So 7
Okay.
times 2 is 14.
So then we decide that that's
3
good enough,
is 17.
and the
So
student
the
is
right
all
answer?
done
Well, the right answer
sending
is
that in.
whatever it takes.
Now, here's what it looks like from the professor's side of things. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm just going back and forth, and maybe if I had two computers, I could do it from screen to screen. I don't know. But now we see that Greg, the student, has made these two comments. And if you want to see where, all you have to do is click on it, and it takes you right to that point in the video, 32 seconds in, and you can see what the student commented there. And then as a professor, you can write other comments. Great point that you made there.
Well, what if it's 3 plus 7 times 2?
And then as the professor, you can grade it, although this assignment is non-graded, so that's why I'm not giving a grade on this one. Okay, I think I've given you enough tools to at least see the way that you can work this. You can use this sandbox as a means of testing out what your assignment looks like, how hard it is to grade, how easy it is to understand from the student side of things, and that was the point of this video. So thank you for watching.